First of all, thank you for the certificate, Aditi ma'am, and to all my yoga friends here. Like what I said earlier, I joined this because I want to learn for myself. But I think over the period of time, I realized that I could do some and I couldn't do some because over a period of time, I've learned yoga in different places as a child. And then growing up, different teachers, centers, and because of my education, I was doing medicine. So we didn't really have much time to do anything else. So it's been always like that. And then during COVID, I had some online yoga classes. So eventually I decided that I wanted to learn like the complete thing, and really have a better understanding and in depth. So I think I came across this because here in Malaysia, we actually have yoga academies who are offering this teachers training course. But for some reason, I mean, I've been following Yoga Kulam Academy's Instagram page for quite some time. I kind of liked something about it, which I don't know how to explain, but I just felt that, because yoga is originally from India. So I felt that, it makes more sense for me to learn from where it came from. So that's how I decided that, I want to sign up with Yoga Kulam. So I think at this point in time, I'm glad I did because I've got like all these new friends, Lakshmi ma'am, Shiva ma'am, Sangeeta, Praveen, Aditi ma'am, Basanti ma'am. So I'm like really happy I've made new friends and it feels very nice because it's a small group and we're all like very close knit, and everyone is always willing to help. Like I know there was some point in this class when Sangeeta used to text me and say, tell me if there's something I can do, I will also like to help, to do the notes and stuff like that. So it's like really nice because everyone wants to do something in the class. And Shiba ma'am was the one uploading all the videos from the beginning. So everyone was chipping in, trying to do something to help each other in the class. And that is something very beautiful. You don't see this often. So I think that's very nice. So overall, this has been a very pleasant experience, and I've already signed up for the next prenatal postnatal yoga. So
Oh, really?
uh,
Nice.
yeah, so I'll be continuing. I mean, I wanted to learn that because from my profession, this is something that I often see among my patients. So I feel this is a little bit something extra that I can actually offer them. Yeah.
Nice.
How
So
did
thank
you
you so
feel
much.
about the syllabus, the teachers? What?
The syllabus I think is very complete because we went step by step and we make sure we covered all the important things. And also, even if we had doubts or we wanted to learn in depth, I mean, the tutors were ever ready to help. They were always accessible via WhatsApp and calls. So I think in that way, it made us as participants or students learn better because there's no inhibition because we can actually approach our tutors to ask questions and to clarify doubts. Um, I feel the syllabus is actually pretty complete, especially when you guys have actually shared so much of reading material. I love reading, so I was very excited because there's like so many books to read. So I think that is something very good because most of the time we don't know what is the proper authoritative figure or authoritative books to read in terms of yoga because there's like so many out there. So at least now we have like a guide, like which are the books that we can follow or learn in depth about the subject. So yeah. So anyway, thank you guys. It was very nice, and I hope one day I can actually come down to Bangalore and all of us can meet.
Yeah.